Hello, friend. We're making dinner for ourselves, and we're going to eat it once it's cooked.
Okay.
Right now, this is raw.
Yeah, so what are we doing today?
We're cooking sweet potatoes.
What kind of sweet potatoes?
I don't know what.
Sweet potato fries.
Sweet potato fries we're cooking.
So first we have some washed sweet potatoes. Next, I'm going to cut them up and you can put them on the tray. Okay?
Okay.
So let's see.
And this is pretty easy.
Yeah.
But you can cook whatever you want to cook, okay?
Okay, they say. So first, what are we doing? Explain to them.
So we're cooking sweet potato fries. And then we're going to put them on this tray, and then we're going to put the tray in the oven so the sweet potatoes can cook.
Right.
And then when they're done, we can take the tray out of the oven, and then we can serve some sweet potatoes on someone's plate, and then we can eat it all up, and we can put some things on there, and then we'll eat it all up, and then we can ask to be excused.
Should we tell anybody, like, make sure you have a grown-up cut for you?
Mm-hmm.
Like, should we tell them that? Like, for kids? What should we tell them about the knife?
Make sure to not cut your finger and you're bleeding. And you need Band-Aid. Make sure to not do that when you have a grown-up sharp knife.
Right. So what should a grown-up do? Cut for you?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so first you have your grown-up. Cut your sweet potato into, what kind of size pieces would you say?
Kind of like medium and big and small.
All different size pieces?
Uh-huh.
A variety of shapes and sizes?
Uh-huh.
Okay, and then what do we do next?
We cook them in the oven, and we put stuff on them, serve them to your plate, and then we
What temperature is the oven at?
hot.
Hot. 400, tell them 400.
Careful, don't burn yourself.
Tell them put it at 400 degrees.
400 degrees. But make sure to not put their child hand in the oven because the heat is hot.
Right.
And you're burning. And
Right.
you need a boob. And you have a boob and you're burning.
Okay. So, we've got our sweet potatoes. Can you help arrange them on the plate?
Sure.
Okay, spread them out in an even layer.
Here. And we got to make sure they're in the just right layer. And we got to make sure they're in the just spot we needed them in.
Right.
But this is pretty easy.
While we're doing this, what's our oven doing? Heating up.
Heating up.
Okay.
And then we're make sure.
Now go ahead. Tell them about this. What's this?
I
Hey,
don't
take
know
this off.
what. Olive oil.
So how do we pour it on?
Mm-hmm.
Might need a little grown-up help.
Yeah.
And then over here, not too much or they get soggy, right?
Right. We don't want them soggy. But we're trying to get them so tasty. We're just, hey mommy, if I have this song, then I can put.
Now what do we do with this? Tell them what we have next.
So we have salt.
Tell them how much salt do we add?
I don't know. Hey, we're serving to run out of salt here.
Quite a bit of salt, right? Okay, that's enough salt. One more pinch? Is that all we need?
Yep.
Now what do we do?
Now what do we do?
Shake them up.
Shake them up. Careful.
And then what's next?
Cook them in the oven for Clara and Mommy.
How long? How long in the oven, you think?
20 minutes.
And then what? Then they'll say they'll be crisp and delicious.
Crisp and delicious.
And what do we dip them in?
I know what.
What do you dip them in?
Ketchup.
Okay, anything else you want to tell everybody?
Well, we like them tasty enough. But I take off this glove, and it has cupcakes on it. Nana loves cupcakes.
Do you want to say thanks for joining us on our cooking show?
Thanks for joining us on our cooking show.